gonna see how your Krabby Patty. See, Krabby Patty. First you take a strawberry. Then you take what kind of you want. Wait a second. Using some cereal. No, I'm not using it. I'm using this. Not the cereal. And then you will look like this if you. Then you take another strawberry. Another strawberry. Then you put it where? Then you put it right here in this bowl. Right? I don't have a drink, so let's do it in this. So then you're gonna take the plastic wrap, plastic, and be the burgers. Okay. Then you rip it, then make it the square. This. Okay. And that's your. And then you put it. And then made it fire. And over here is the Happy Meal. The Happy Meal, sponge, softball, car, another car, another car, and then just Tic Tac. Doesn't have Tic Tacs. It has fake money. Fake money. Okay. And now you're going to do this. Okay, and you put the Krabby Patty right here. If you need more, then you can use. Okay. And take some more. Just forget it, and then you have it. Your Krabby Patty. Here. I'm gonna try it. And now I'm gonna try. Come on, because I'm the chef. You can make this all alone with you. Because you made some duct tape, some these, some toys, and some strawberries, some of these, and these toppings. Oh, and you made these chips. You can use anyone. And then this cup from McDonald's. And then use these from fries. For the fries. And not the fries. No fries. And there you have it. So I'm gonna make it in the next episode. Drinks. Okay? Bye.